All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Acrobat menu. So this is only appropriate if you actually have Adobe Acrobat. This will show up. If you don't, that's okay. Just watch what I'm doing here, and if you get an Acrobat, then you'll know how to utilize it. Okay, so here we have Create Adobe PDF. So you can create a PDF, you can edit the preferences, we can create and share, and do a mail merge, and then review and comment, create and send for review, and then Acrobat comments. We can create PDF and run action, and then we can insert media. So these are all the different tools that you can do with Acrobat Pro. And if you don't have Acrobat Pro, I highly recommend getting it because it's going to make utilizing Word even easier. I convert a lot of Word documents to PDF and vice versa, so it's a great tool to have so that you have that ability to convert back and forth. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.